Arc versus Brave versus Google Chrome. What is the best browser? Choosing the right web browser, can really change how you browse the internet. Today we're comparing both three to see which one is best for you. Alright, so let's start with Arc. So Arc is a relatively newer browser built by the browser company. It's focused on design, focus, and productivity. It replaces tabs with a sidebar layout. You can create spaces for different projects or moods. It has built-in notepad, split screen, and even screen capture. It's smooth and minimal, making browsing feel fresh and fun. Arc is best if you love multitasking and want more of a modern, distraction-free experience. Brave is all about privacy. It blocks ads and trackers right out of the box. You don't need extra extensions. Privacy is built in. It has a feature called Brave Rewards that lets you earn crypto by viewing privacy respecting ads. It's also one of the fastest browsers thanks to fewer distractions and lightweight code. Brave is perfect if you value privacy and speed. And lastly, we have Google Chrome. Google Chrome needs no introduction pretty much and is one of the most used browsers in the world, and for good reason. It's fast, works on every platform, and supports tons of extensions. It syncs perfectly with your Google account, but is also resource heavy and tracks your activity more than the others. So Chrome is great if you're used to Google's ecosystem and want something familiar. So which browser should you choose? So go with Arc if you want something fresh and creative. It's built for multitasking and productivity. Choose Brave if privacy is your top concern and you want a fast, clean browser. Or you can stick with Chrome if you rely on Google services and want something simple and powerful. Each has its strengths. The best one depends on how you browse.